Hi guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you still haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, guys. So the next entry question, if me ask you in entry room, what is properties in Java collection framework, guys? So this is one of the important question in collection, guys. So what is properties in Java collection framework? So guys, it is a child class. It is a child class of hashtable class. It is a child class of hashtable class, guys. Okay, so represents a group of key value pair elements. Represents group of key value pair elements. Or whenever we want to represent group of key value pair elements in the form of string, so then we should go for this one, guys. So then creates empty property list, and store into stream, guys. Store into stream. Okay, that is we can say file. Okay, so whenever we want to represent or whenever we want to store group of key value pair elements, okay, by using files in the form of string, so we can go for this class, guys. So duplicate keys are not allowed, not allowed, but duplicate values are allowed, guys. Okay, all the methods of this class are synchronized, guys. That is single threaded, thread safe. It is a thread safe class, guys. Okay, and null key and null value both are not allowed, guys. No, null key and null values both are not allowed, guys. So let's see one example. So you can tell these points, okay, in interview room, guys. Okay, so now let's have one example. So let's say I create the object of properties class. So this class, okay, uh, we set properties and then we will say properties. Okay, properties, and the variable name I said props, guys. Okay, and now I want to store, okay, props dot, okay, suppose I said set property, and suppose I said like suppose we said Nagpur. Okay, Nagpur, and suppose we said Maharashtra. Okay, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and then suppose we said Mumbai. Okay, and then suppose again we said or Nagpur, Maharashtra, and suppose we said Bhopal. Okay, and like suppose we said Madhya Pradesh, guys. Okay, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, like, and then okay, then I want to store this key and values, okay, these properties in file, guys. So then I will create, okay, one file. So for that we have to use file output stream class, and then suppose we said, okay, like for example config dot properties file. Okay, dot properties file. Okay, we need to get dot properties file, guys. Okay, and we will say, so we will say f out, guys. So this class can generate an exception, means we will say throws exception. Okay, then after we will say, okay, props. Okay, props dot, okay, store, props dot store, this. Okay, then f out, and this will be the comment. Okay, like suppose we say NLT, this will be the comment. Okay, NLT input, or like suppose config properties. Okay, configuration properties, configuration properties. Okay, so now then after we will say f out dot close. Okay, and right click and run file, guys. So you will see, okay, this key and value. Okay, this key and value. Okay, we are going to store. Okay, it will get stored in config.properties file. So this file will get created in hard disk. So now, so this is a project. So now you can see this config. Okay, config at, it is created on this date and time. So now you will see, guys. So now you can see the key and value. Okay, insertion order it will not maintain, this insertion order it will not maintain. Suppose we try to say like Chandigarh. Okay, like suppose we say Punjab. Okay, Then after suppose we set Hyderabad, okay, and like for that we set Telangana. Okay, right click and run file. Okay, and once again we will open this. Okay, so now you will see guys. So insertion order it will not maintain. Insertion order not maintain. Okay, suppose we try to select this. Right click and run file. Okay, now you can see guys, insertion order it will not maintain. Okay, Chandigarh, Nagpur, Bhopal and Hyderabad, but the order is like this guys. So insertion order it will not maintain. Okay, so now in this way we can store key and value by using properties class. Okay, so in file guys, so now this properties I want to read, this properties I want to read. So hence I will comment out this code. Okay, so how we can read this key and value, okay, from file. So for that I will say new file input stream is file input stream, and now we will create the file objects for reading purpose. We will say config.properties. Config.properties. Okay, this is the file guys. Okay, this file we want to read for, okay, open for reading purpose. So we will say fin, and now we will say new properties. Once again we will assign this properties. We will say props, and we will say props dot, okay, props dot load method is there guys. Okay, load method, and we have to pass the object of input stream. So now props will load, okay, all properties from this file guys. Okay, from this files, and then after we will say, okay, as out, okay, as out we will say props dot, okay, props dot get property and the property name. Like for example, suppose we said Bhopal. Okay, for Bhopal there is a, okay, value that is Madhya Pradesh guys. So now then after props dot, okay, Hyderabad, Hyderabad. Okay, now get property, you can see this, or even we can print all the key and value pair elements guys. Okay, we will say props. Okay, and after reading this we will close that file guys. Right click and run file. You can see guys, okay, all the properties, okay, will print on console guys. Got it? So this is all about properties class guys. Okay, so we can store key and value pair elements, okay, by using file guys. So for that we have to create dot properties file, dot properties files. Okay, so in the form of string, guys. Okay, so this is all about properties class. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and also share it to your friends guys, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one guys. Until then, happy coding guys. Thank you.